The world of Gen X and Gen Y, Gen Z can look like this. For Gen X, the day-to-day basis looks like, I have me time, I wake up at 5 o'clock, I go to work, I have my lunch break, I go to work, I shut down my laptop or go back to the office, go back home, I spend time with my personal life and my family. The Gen Y and Gen Z can be more complicated. It's exactly the same thing, but a lot of things happening in between. For example, pag lunch, di ako mag-lunch. Pag may malapit na gym, mag-gym ako. And I prefer to work for companies na may gym sa loob ng office. Kapag lunchtime, do not judge me if I'm gonna eat alone because today is Lazada 9/9 sale. I'm gonna add to cart. I am not antisocial, I just need to get some job done. Kapag coffee break, I can watch my 15-minute episode on Netflix. Breaks are not additional time to do more work. Breaks are breaks.